Transform your health with smart choices. Nutritious foods power your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and energy. They strengthen immune function, lower chronic disease risks, and nurture a balanced lifestyle. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can protect your heart, manage diabetes, and even improve mental clarity. Yet, many struggle with making the right choices amid a busy life and confusing grocery aisles. Imagine preparing a meal plan and confidently navigating the store. Visualize reading labels that clearly list fewer ingredients, empowering you to avoid added sugars and excess sodium. Every shopping trip becomes a step toward a healthier you. Meal planning saves time and money while ensuring that your pantry does not overflow with duplicates or temptations. Picture yourself standing in the fresh produce section, picking vibrant, seasonal fruits and vegetables. You learn to trust organic options when it matters, such as apples and spinach, where pesticides may lurk. As you fill your cart with lean proteins, whether chicken, turkey, fish, or plant-based alternatives like tofu, you equip your body for lasting strength. Smart shopping transforms chaos into clarity. Experience the simplicity of focusing on outer aisles at the store. Discover dairy, meats, and fresh herbs meant to nourish you deeply. Recognize the contrast between processed center aisle snacks and wholesome alternatives like nuts, seeds, and rich ionized water that aids hydration and digestion. Your food choices now support your body's natural balance and energy flow. Remember that a pre-shopping list and a meal plan are keys to breaking unhealthy cycles. Eating before shopping can reduce impulse buys, leaving more room for nutritious picks. Bulk buying store brands or choosing frozen produce lets you enjoy convenience without sacrificing quality. With each decision, you take control over chronic disease risks and embrace a brighter future. Smart, informed choices and a balanced diet not only elevate your physical well-being, but revive your mood and mental clarity. Step confidently into each grocery run with purpose, leaving old habits behind. Embrace a revolution in your everyday eating. Allow your newfound insight to guide every decision at the market. Each healthy choice builds resilience and fosters lasting energy. Remember, every ingredient has power to nurture and heal, sparking transformation in body and mind. Empower your life with nutrition. Transform your grocery experience. Start your journey to better health today by making informed choices at the grocery store.